morning and happy Vlogmas! I'm in my new Christmas jammies. Just after getting out of bed. Patty's awake now, so we're gonna go and pick up breakfast. I'm super excited. We're getting pancakes this morning and getting an avocado smash with bacon. I'm just super excited to get breakfast. I haven't had like takeout breakfast obviously in like, I don't know, maybe 2 months, because you can't do that here in Ireland because of lockdown. The last day actually I got it was Ollie's birthday, which is the 7th of October. So that's how long it's been since I had takeout breakfast, and I'm really looking forward to it. We had a takeaway last night, so I'm kind of eating not great like this weekend. I haven't eaten a takeaway in 2 weeks, so I'm allowed to have that. I've been actually eating healthier since I've been pregnant than I've ever eaten in my entire life. Like I feel like I eat so much better. Like I'm getting a lot of nutrients in and making sure that I'm eating really well. You can follow us around today. I don't know how much of today I'm going to be able to vlog, but I might run it over 2 days and we'll see. Patty brought over the painting that we've been doing together. It's like a colour by numbers. So many people ask me where we got it, so I will link it in the description bar below. I think we just typed in adults colour by numbers and it came up. Really intricate and I really like it. It's quite relaxing. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go get our pancakes and avocados. I can't wait. This is what the paintings look like. Sorry, the sun's like shining on it. Super cool. I did all this bit here. I did this bit here. Patty did all this bit here. He's kind of done all this side and I've done all that side, but I've definitely done a little bit more because I just take it out whenever I want to colour in something. And he could be at work, I could be at home, I might have like a bit of time in between calls or something, and I just find it really relaxing. It has taken us a while to do it because it is so intricate. I loved the black and like the eye is my favourite thing and the whole thing, and like down here I love this as well, but it's just so cool. Good morning. So now I can officially actually talk to you because I was in my jammies last time. We're gonna go pick up our food.
Connected.
Jesus. Actually going to pick up food, and we're getting pancakes. Well, I'm not, because I'm getting avocado smash. It is Baltic out this morning. It's so cold, but it's not as cold as it has been the last few days. That's not Christmas FM, that's Dermot Kennedy.
I know, it's just as good.
I want Christmas FM. Sing some Christmas songs to you, baby. Why?
It's too early.
It's not too early. It's not early at all, actually. If I told people what time it was, they would be horrified. We don't have any major plans today because Ireland, as you know, is still kind of in like a level 3 or level 2. I don't know what levels anywhere is.
Like level 3 with a hint of level 2.
Yeah, it's kind of like a level 3.5 because it's Christmas. They're allowing people, hang on, I need to pull that down. They're allowing people come over to your house and stuff because obviously it's Christmas time and they're not like not doing that, whereas in a normal level 3 you're not allowed to have visitors and stuff. So it's just a very bizarre situation. You're allowed to have up to 6 people in your house from 3 different households, is that right? For the entirety of Christmas. So I don't know. My sister was out last night in Cafe on Seine and it was wedged with people, and then like I think everyone's a bit like rusty on the rules, and is really anybody gonna stick to 6 people in their house when you have extended family? Like I just don't know how that's ever gonna work at Christmas, especially Christmas in Ireland, because we just all love to be together. That's our plans for the weekend. We're gonna do a little bit of our painting while we're so old. And then we are gonna go for a walk tomorrow if it's not too cold. It's so cold this morning.
Fire when we get back.
Light the fire. You like the fire lit, and when the fire is actually lit, you are too hot then and want the front door open.
Put it on too much.
You can't put it on, like it's not like a thing that timer like.
I know that, but like less logs or whatever. No. I'm gonna get one of them.
You want a John Deere tractor. There's a John Deere tractor in front of us pulling a trailer with a massive tyre on it. You want one of them?
Oh yeah, get it for Christmas.
Oh, there's a little cloud been walked. Little fluffy palm, a white one. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you when we get our food. We're back with our food. Very excited. There's Patty's pancakes and there's my avocado smash, and then we got mum and dad pancakes each. They're so lovely. They're the nicest thing ever. That's your dessert. Painkillers. I can't wait to eat these. They're so yummy. Michael Bublé. Wow. Hey Chewy. Hey Chewy.
Come on, you're dancing.
Hey, Chew. All Chewy cares about is food. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Chewy, is all you care about food? We're watching some of the Ireland-Scotland match. I don't know how we're gonna do today. Last time we met them in February, we beat them, but that's a new Scottish team, so I don't really know. Oh God, I don't know about this. Chewy's fast asleep on top of Paddy. Are you worried? You look really worried.
Some pain.
Oh, that's great.
Oh shit, there you go, try.
I'm just editing the thumbnail for Vlogmas Day 4, so that should be going up now. Well, I have it like uploading currently actually. Oh, it's finished processing. Okay, so I'll make that live for you guys now. We won the rugby. It was actually not a bad win. Oops. I'm just downstairs now making Paddy, well, I'm not downstairs right now, I'm upstairs. We're making omelettes and I just came up to change into jammies because I want to change into my jammies. It is 10 to 5 and we're having shepherd's pie for dinner this evening and all Dad's lights are outside. They look lovely. There's all our Christmas lights at the back. They look lovely. And my aunt's next door. They look so nice. Right way. There you go. Just like a pizza. So I've changed back into my jammies. And I'm just sitting down here. The Cav and Dublin match is on and it's the first time that they have met and I don't know how many years. Like this All Ireland final in the football has been just so different this year because teams that haven't met in like forever or like years and years and years are actually meeting this year, and it's just interesting just to see the dynamics. But Cavan's actually done really well. They're 2 points. They got the first point. It's 2-2, like, but they're doing really well. Oh, hi Chewy. It would be nice to see an underdog team win. My sister's boyfriend is from Cavan and he's really into obviously GAA and stuff, and they're watching it tonight now, and I'd say he's just on like on edge looking at it, watching it, hoping that Cavan win. So it'd be nice for them to win. Like, I don't know if that's gonna happen. I really can't see it. Today has been like a day of sports. Paddy's actually had to lie down. His head is so bad at the moment. He suffers from migraines as well, which is just delightful for both of us. I've had a headache most of the day, but it's not really anything I can't handle. But he has had to lie down, so I hope he'll be alright. And Lisa should be over anytime soon. I'm just gonna watch a little bit of this. Oh, Dublin have gone ahead now, 3-2. I'd say it's going to be a tough one for Cavan. I'll probably come back to it later just to see how they're getting on. I'm not really big into GAA. I used to play it a little bit when I was younger. It wouldn't be like my all-time favourite thing to watch. I'm not really, I much prefer rugby, but I will watch it if it's on, and especially like a match like that. What's wrong with you, Chewy? He's just like literally sitting on top of me all of the time. Are you looking after the baby? Look at him. He's just sitting there. The baby's down there. Are you protecting the baby? Baby in here? Yes? You protecting? Are you protecting the baby? He's literally sitting in between my legs. I'm like trying to lie back so I can show you. He's so funny. You are the funniest pooch ever. Our window lights were not working, so I've had to fiddle around with them a bit and I've gotten them working, but I was like trying not to electrocute myself in the meantime. I was like, oh dear Lord, I'm gonna electrocute myself. But yeah, the lights look great. So 3 points each. We'll see how they get on. Hopefully Cavan do well. Fair play to you lads. Look how good he is at doing this. Oh, it's coming along quite nicely.
That's good now.
How's that cool patch on your head?
Heaven. Absolute heaven.
I think it looks really good. We'll look back on this and be like, oh my god, we had barely anything to do, like we'd loads to do, and then when it's finished we'll be like looking at it, admiring it.
That'd be God. What's your dad?
My mum. I'll do it right here. I am heading to bed, guys. It is currently almost 1 AM. So I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. What are you doing? Paddy's just crazy. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I had a lovely day. Lisa called over there for a while, so that's why I didn't end my vlog. and I just had a really nice evening catching up with her. We're watching that new Michael McIntyre, The Wheel. It's actually really good. It's like a game show, really good. So that's what we ended up watching. Anyway, I'm going to bed. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you all, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you then. Mwah. Bye guys.